How to get free spin on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get free spin on Temu. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You want to simply open up your Temu application and you'll get an interface like this. As you can see, it's loading currently. Now let it load up and you can see the interface here right now. Now here what you want to do is, in order to get a free spin, now if you just tap on new user gift, you'll be able to get a free spin here. You can see I'll just spin it. And here you can see I have got a 100 jackpot. Now however, if you want to get a free reward, here what you want to do is to get a free spin, at the search bar at the top you want to search in for redeem. Now if you simply type in for redeem, and you can see you'll get the spin. Now basically you'll have to refer a friend in order to redeem, so you want to simply tap on refer and you want to send an invitation to your friend, and if they join it using that particular link, you'll be able to get the free spin. So every time you send a refer and every time you join, you'll get the free spin. So this way you can get free spin in Temu. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.